Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. A super quick, very helpful video to any of you having a problem where you have a warning on the dash of your Mercedes that says Cruise Control Speedtronic Inoperative. Guys, stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. We'll talk about that. And after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share the information, the links in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For any of you having that warning that says Cruise Control Speedtronic Inoperative, guys, quick, a few things can cause that. We'll talk about that, but first thing you want to check, guys, okay, is one main fuse. Then we'll explain about some secondary fuses in hidden fuse boxes. Come to show you what to check now, guys. Quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 owners of that Mercedes do not know there will be more than 6-7 hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why I made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the trunk, guys. If you have the Speedtronic, okay, what you're going to do, open the trunk, leave the trunk cover up. On the right side you have a cover that you remove, open, and underneath is the main trunk fuse box. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here specifically what we need to check, guys, one fuse. You may or may not have this one, depending if you have the smart cruise control that is with the Distronic, known as Distronic. If you have it, you have that fuse 456. If you don't, the cruise control function will be integrated, guys, okay, in the traction control module, fuses, relays. We have special video about that where you can expect to find it, but here, okay, one thing you need to check, come to the positive jump starter terminal under the hood. And when you open it, actually that's a pre-fuse box, that's the back side of it. Once you open it, you'll see many fuses like that. So here there could be two different options depending on the year, model and engine. But guys, check fuse C2 right here. But since you're already here, test all of your fuses and then test fuse C3/1, C3/2. These two fuses here as well will need to be tested. But once you're already here, test all of the fuses that you see. If you still have problems with the cruise control not working, multiple things can cause that. One of them is brake light switch. This is the device on the brake paddle that detects that you apply the brake paddle. Test your brake light switch. Okay, if you want to see how to test it, we'll have video on the channel and how to replace one as well. Another thing, having bad ABS sensor. On each tire you have one sensor that detects how fast each tire is going, and having a bad ABS sensor, it's quite common that will cause the cruise control not to work. If you haven't calibrated the steering angle sensor, okay, that can cause it to work too. If you worked on the suspension, you got alignment and they didn't reset or calibrate the steering angle sensor, it can cause the cruise control not to work too. So check that too, guys. Another thing, it could be steering angle sensor that's bad, that can cause the cruise control not to work as well. And of course it could be if you have ABS, traction control light, ESP light, anything like that will cause the cruise control not to work most likely as well. So the only way to find out is get a scanner that can access every computer system in our Mercedes. We use the Autel. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can see which one we use, and from there, guys, okay, you can access every computer system, see the code, and know exactly what's happening there. But those are some of the most common things we see at the garage. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.